that only has 3. I can't take out 4 because that one only has 3.
That would be okay.
The actual number 4.
Yeah, I can factor out the number 4. Okay, let's talk about B. I have 2 B's here and 2 B's here. How many B's can I take out?
2.
I can take 2 out of here and I can take 2 out of there. Now, tell me where you got this 4.
4 goes in 8, 4 goes in 12.
Okay, is it the largest number that'll go into both of those?
Yes.
What do we call the largest number that will go into 2 numbers? Thank you. Greatest common factor.
I knew it. The GC. F.
GCF, right? That's the easiest kind of factoring, and that's what we're doing. We're factoring out the greatest common factor. Okay, now in this first term, if I take out a 4, what will that leave me?
2A.
A 2. And where'd you get just A?
A to the 4th.
Sorry, got it? Yeah. I got 3 A's. I got 4 A's total, and I'm taking 3 of them, so that leaves me 1. I got 2 B's, and I'm taking them both. 4A cubed B squared times 2A is 8. A to the 4th, B squared. And there's a minus sign. Okay, when I factor 4 out of 12, what do I get?
3.
3. 4 will go into 12 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, I got 3 A's, and I've used 3 A's. Okay, I got 2 B's, and I've used 2 B's. So I'm done.
You're done.
That's as far as I can go.
You're done.
All right, number 5, again, it's a binomial.
Same thing.
My first instinct is to do difference of 2 squares, but that's not the difference of 2 squares.
Right.
So let's do GCF. Okay, what's the greatest common factor for 5 and 10?
5.
5. I got 4 X's here and 2 there, so how many can I factor out? 2. And I got a Y and a Y squared. What can I factor out? Just a Y.
1 Y.
Okay, so when I factor out 5x squared y from this, that leaves me with x squared. Everybody okay with that? And there's a minus sign. 5 will go into 10 2 times. Now when I factor an x squared y out of this, it just leaves me with a y. Jaden, where did my x go?
She scared me. I'm sorry, what'd you say?
Where'd the x go? Why don't I have an x here?
Maybe. I don't know. I wasn't really paying. Oh, you scared me though.
I didn't mean to scare you.
Jeez. What do you think? Well, since you.
At least he's being honest.
Because, man, I don't know.
It's a lot of stress, isn't it?
No, I was just trying to finish this other problem. And then.
McKinley, do you know where the x went? Good, it factored out because of the x squared. I had 2 x's and I used both of them, so I don't have any x's in that one. Everybody okay with greatest common factor? Okay, there's a huge amount of factoring on this midterm because we've done a huge amount of factoring this semester. Okay, and you've got to know how to factor, guys. You've got to. It's going to lead to everything else, and it's not going to go away. When you get to calculus, you're going to factor. Okay, number 11. Now, number 11, originally, you can see on there that it really doesn't give you any instructions above it. The instructions said, divide this using long division. Well, I'm not stupid. I know that if this is a multiple choice test, you're not going to do that by long division.
No.
You're going to use synthetic. That's what I do. Okay? So I just took off the instructions and said divide. So I would do this by synthetic division. Now please remember, for synthetic division to work, that has to be a 1. And it is, so I'm good. Okay? Now this is a factor. When I'm doing a synthetic division, I use the root. So if x minus 4 is the factor, what's the root? 4. Just the number 4. Okay? This is the root. That's the factor. This is the root. So 6 negative 48, 120, negative 96. I think you're really good at synthetic division now. Anybody have a question?
No.
Okay, bring this down.
24.
6 times 4 is 24. Add.
Negative 22.
Negative 24 times 4 is negative 96. Add. 24 times 4 is 96. Add. Now, I can stop right there because there's only one that says the remainder is 0. But it's 6x squared minus 24x plus 24 with a remainder of 0.
That was beautiful, Miss Jo.
Thank you. Okay, we're going to do 12, yeah, let's just do 12 and 13 in that order. Now, number 12 says that negative 5/4 and 8 are roots, and they want us to find the equation. Okay, 2 roots, we're supposed to find the equation. So, if these are roots,
Make them factors.
we got to make them factors. So, x plus 5/4 times x minus 8. Now, I know that you don't really like fractions. Okay? So, what I'm going to do to get rid of that